If your process moves anything thicker than water, such as molasses, asphalt, polymers, sludge, or even crude, you're relying on a positive displacement pumping. And when that system stops, the plant doesn't just slow down, you have just lost a critical piece of equipment. Specialty Gear Drives repairs the powertrains that keep PD systems running. PD pumps don't just rely on momentum, they rely on trapped volume. That means relentless torque on the reducer. We rebuild the entire drive system with the precision shaft fits, sealing surfaces, and timing components, and restore it to hold the tight tolerances that your pump requires. If your PD system is vibrating, running hot, or even getting loud, call before it becomes a shutdown. Get a fast documented solution. We provide free quotes, free nationwide pickup, and free delivery, and a 24-month warranty. Specialty Gear Drives, let's get you back online.
Specialty Gear Drives, certified, reliable, industrial gearbox repair.